Welcome to our tutorial from Red Light of Death by Xbox 360, and you can see what you need, and then you can see where you should do the log. Here, X-clit error.
Yeah.
Welcome to our second part, and you have to be sure that you have these things.
To 2000 volt.
And you have throw the X, do that.
This one, yes. And go.
Are you really careful?
Maybe it's dangerous. Come on, guys. Oh, man.
That's right.
Yeah. It's still okay?
And this is what you have to do.
Can we now?
Real carefully. Okay.
And yeah, now the second part.
That's nice. Now we are finished.
Welcome to our third part, and you have careful do this thing. Throw the Xbox. Very careful.
Come on. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah, I have it. Our first time.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No.
Our third time.
Thousands of times. We have done this before.
Since we are childs. And now you have to
You
make
have to do
a knopf.
to do this shit.
This
So?
shit.
So
With a double. Yeah, that's
So?
nice.
yeah. This is our fifth part of our fixed tutorial. You have to overheat it about 1 hour.